Hello everyone. The last Friday, I completed another week of my resolution. So the two things that I intended to pick was first of all, I wanted to maintain a morning schedule. Second was basically regarding time blocking. So the first thing regarding the morning schedule, I basically what is happening is for the initial few days I was finding it difficult, but because I'm not putting any alarm, I read it somewhere that putting an alarm is not good, but because my biological clock was affected, I was not able to get up at 4 or 5. So eventually what I did was I started adding alarms, and for the last 4 5 days, from the last 4 5 days, I have been getting up consistently at 5 o'clock, though not 4 o'clock. So the idea is basically from 5 o'clock, when I have a habit of 5 o'clock, I will eventually move it to 4 o'clock and so on. So over the course of next 1 month, I should have a habit of say getting up at 4. Another thing which I noticed, what at night basically not able to follow a schedule of sleeping as such. So I'm waking up at 5, but I'm maybe sleeping at times at 9:30, 10, 10:30, which at times is making me feel for the particular day a bit dizzy. So I need to solve that thing in my habit, which I will focus on, from like which I've been focusing on. Eventually, I think I will overcome when my biological clock kicks in. So yep, another habit which was about time blocking, though I have been planning and time blocking every day. One thing which I noticed is because I have been as of now thinking about ways through which I can make whatever I promised to myself in these coming 3 years. So I've been thinking about how to achieve that, and in order to identify, I have been to um, though I time block, it's all basically the same activity. So uh, as such, time blocking is not a kind of kind of kicked in, because like there are not multiple activities that I'm following. I'm basically following almost the same activity. So but and what happens is I'm mostly engaged in the same activity, so I don't focus much on the time, which is not a good thing. So maybe coming week, what I will do is I will try to stick to the schedule. Even if I'm working on the same activity, I will try to follow it based on the schedule. Say 10 a.m. I have some activity, maybe some house chores or something. I will do that and then get back to it based on the time, right? So uh, what I have observed is if I'm too much into something, I forget the sense of time, and there is a contradiction between my opinion that you can get too much into something and not follow time, versus you need not get, you have to always stick to the time. So um, Elon Musk actually gives 100 hours per day, and he's like works in 5 minute time blocking. Um, so I think I'm not sure basically context switching as such helps or not. Um, like I need to go and understand more about time blocking and see whether it's more effective to be deeply into something and forget everything else, or time blocking and sticking to the plan is a better thing to do versus deep into something. So I still am confused over that. Maybe I will try to watch some videos and try to read more about it to see which is the better path to follow for success. Other than that, I would slowly I'm thinking to kick in dieting in my schedule. So I will keep you posted about that. As of now, in the coming week, so the idea is to have a sleeping schedule, um, sleeping time. So right now I have not been able to adjust the sleeping time, so the idea will be to bring in a proper sleeping time, and secondly to see which one, whether deeply engrossed in something or sticking to a timetable, irrespective of whether you are really motivated to do it or not, which one works the best, and basically do that instead. Okay, so yeah, one thing which I feel, I am actually right now, um, I am work. I'm thinking of what I should work on, and it's taking a lot of my time. And essentially, at the end of the day, I basically end up, just thinking and not taking any action, as in physical action. So that is something that I need to basically, expedite. Need if you have some resources to maybe guide me towards how I can expedite it, that would be helpful. I need to arrive at what I need to do over the next 3 years to reach my destination. Okay. um, some more things. Some insights that I had was, when I actually focus on money instead of the impact or the, so what I feel is one thing which I noticed was, money, irrespective of the task I do, actually doesn't satisfies me. So I need to, what I learned was, I need to earn money, but also at the same time, impact is a big thing to me. So I need to find a way to make some bucks, but be impactful, right? That's the most important thing. So I have to have a goal, and then I have to work towards it. And in the course, basically, make money is what I learned would be most effective. So, yeah. mm, as for uploading review for Elon Musk, I know I promised to upload it. I tried uploading it. I actually already made it. I tried uploading it, but the file size is too big, and at time it's actually becoming a bit difficult to upload it. But I will upload it soon. I've already made it though. Yep, that's it for now. Let us catch next week. Thank you.